Build credit easily, get approved in minutes, no hidden fees. That's the promise plastered all over Aqua's ads and social media campaigns in 2026. You've probably seen influencers showing off the bright blue Aqua card, claiming it's the easiest way to boost your credit score, even if you've been rejected elsewhere. But here's the question no one's really asking. Does it actually help you build credit? Or is it just another fintech trap built on high interest rates and psychological marketing? Let's find out if Aqua is the fresh start it claims to be, or another expensive lesson for first-time borrowers. I've been testing credit-building apps for years, from Capital One Classic to Jaja, Timeit, and even Revolut's new credit tools. Some actually help you grow financially, others just help themselves to your wallet. When Aqua launched its 2026 version with new AI spending insights, instant approvals, and gamified rewards for good behavior, I decided to test it for a full month. I tracked every purchase, every notification, and every interest charge. I even compared Aqua's results with traditional banks and competitors like Timeit and Zabel. Here's what I discovered after 30 days using Aqua as my main card. The Aqua credit card app bases its marketing on three big promises. Claim Summer 1, fast, fair approvals. Aqua says anyone can apply and get approved within minutes, even those with no credit history. Claim number 2, smart spending insights. They promote their AI-driven feedback system that supposedly helps you manage spending, reduce utilization, and increase your credit score. Claim number 3, no hidden fees, just transparency. Aqua positions itself as a safe, regulated, and transparent lender. No tricks, no traps, just fair access to credit. Those are bold claims, so I put each one to the test. Origin and legitimacy check. Aqua is a legitimate UK-based credit provider, fully regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. That's a plus. The app's interface feels modern and simple, with clear dashboards for payments, statements, and score updates. But once you look beyond the clean design, things get a little murky. Approval experience. Yes, it's true. Aqua approved me within 5 minutes with a starting limit of $600, but here's what the ad doesn't tell you. The APR starts around 34.9% variable. That's far higher than the national average. If you carry a balance, interest piles up fast. For users who don't pay in full, Aqua becomes very expensive, very quickly. Smart spending insights. The app's AI feedback is impressive on paper. It sends weekly tips like keep your utilization under 30% or a payment today boosts your credit score. And while those reminders are accurate, the app gamifies progress, showing achievements and points for using your card. That might sound fun, but it subtly encourages you to spend more just to level up. It's clever. Marketing disguised as education, transparency and fees. Aqua deserves credit here. Fees and payments are clearly displayed in the app, and push notifications actually work well. But there's still fine print that's rarely mentioned in the ads. Miss 2 payments, and your interest rate can skyrocket. There's also a $12 late payment charge and a risk of credit limit reduction if your behavior changes, even slightly. Performance and score. Impact. After 30 days of responsible use, full payments, and low utilization, my experience score only went up by 7 points. That's not terrible, but it's slower than competitors like Timeit or Zabel, which update credit reports weekly instead of monthly. Community feedback, checking user forums and Trustpilot reviews. Most people praise Aqua's accessibility, but complain about customer service delays and inconsistent score updates. Some users report random limit changes without notice. Aqua isn't a scam. It's a real regulated credit-building tool, but it's far from revolutionary. It's best suited for beginners who want a first credit card and are disciplined enough to pay in full every month. If you're looking for fast credit growth or low interest, you'll probably outgrow Aqua within a year. So, is Aqua credit card worth the hype in 2026? Yes, but only if you treat it as a stepping stone, not a solution. Used wisely, it can help you build credit. Used carelessly, it can set you back months. In the end, the smartest feature Aqua offers isn't inside the app. It's your own financial discipline.